Hi everyone, welcome to this video. First of all, in this video, we are aiming for maximum likes because in this video, we will be talking about mass hiring calendar for 2026. The most important part is we will be covering 13 MNCs in this video, and I will be telling separately about 2026 batch, 2025 batch, and 2024 batch per company, that which hiring is remaining, which hiring will not come, and what is the predictable time for the hiring and what will be the role. So let's start. Make sure to like this video and let's start with the first company. So our first company is TCS NQT. So TCS NQT hiring already came for 2025 and 2024. These hirings are the off-campus hirings, which is the mass hiring drives from TCS. Now the TCS NQT is divided into total two parts. One is paid and one is free. Now the TCS free NQT will come as the registration for 2026 batch in the month of February, and only 2026 batch will be eligible to participate from engineering branches. Okay, there will be no hiring from TCS for 2025 and 2024 batch in the form of TCS NQT. I hope this is clear. For 2026 batch, there will be hiring in around month of February, and the engineering branches will be eligible to participate. Okay. Now coming to the next hiring, which is TCS Smart. So for TCS Smart, 2026 and 2025 batch hiring is announced. For 2024 batch also, the hiring can come in future. So for these three batches, the hiring can come in future. Already the registrations are open. The last date is 13th or 14th of January to apply. One more time this hiring can come in this year, like one more time also this hiring will come in this year. Okay, but currently the registrations is open and you can try to apply. This is for 3 year undergraduates, 3 year graduates like BCA, BSc. So we call it TCS Smart Hiring or TCS Ignite program. Now talking about Deloitte NLA and Analyst. So for Deloitte NLA and Analyst, we need to understand so many things. To understand this, first divide this into total two parts. Analyst is totally different hiring, NLA is totally different hiring. Till now, the Deloitte NLA for off-campus is not announced. Off-campus is not announced. Okay, and it should be announced for 2026 batch. 2025 and 2024 batch will be not eligible for Deloitte NLA 2026. Okay, but the main part is the analyst hiring. So this year Deloitte also did not hire for BTA, which is business technology analyst hiring. So last year and last to last year they hired for this, and the position numbers are not so much high, but you can expect around 500 600 position in this. Okay, this hiring has not released yet, and for this one the 2025 and 2024 batch will be eligible to participate, but this hiring is not announced yet. Okay, for Deloitte NLA 2025 batch and 2024 batch will be not eligible to participate. The expected timeline to release Deloitte NLA is generally between December to January. But in the month of December, they have not announced the Deloitte NLA. Now it is January ongoing, and we need to see if they are announcing Deloitte NLA or not in this month. Okay, because from last 4 to 5 years, we are seeing the Deloitte NLA hiring, but this year we cannot see the Deloitte NLA hiring till now. Only in on campus they have hired through Cyber Gurukul program and multiple other programs in which they also hired for analyst profile and analyst trainee profile. So for multiple profile they have hired in on campus, but in off campus till now there is no hiring from Deloitte. Okay, let's understand about Cognizant Gen Z. So for Cognizant Gen Z for 2026 and 2024 batch, already you guys know the phases are ongoing. For 2024 and 2025 batch, both combined, they hired through upgrade. But only for 2025 batch, they hired directly through the superset platform. And for 2025, now this hiring will not come. Okay, for 2025 batch, now this hiring will not come because they already hired two times off campus through this one, which is Cognizant Gen Z hiring. So last year they conducted two times hiring for Cognizant Gen Z for off campus, also multiple times on campus. So now they will be not hiring for Cognizant Gen Z for off campus. For 2026 batch also on campus hiring already Cognizant announced. Now they need to wait for the off campus. And most probably the off campus hiring they will be releasing after the month of maybe April and May. Maybe after April and May, you will be seeing the off campus hiring for 2026. So generally when students gets graduated, after that they announce the Gen Z hiring for off campus. The simple reason is they want your mark sheet. They want your mark sheet. Okay. So if you are not graduated till then, they will not announce the off campus hiring for Cognizant Gen Z. For off campus, you need to wait after your graduation only. They will be releasing it. For off campus 2025 and 4, they have conducted multiple hirings, and now there are like only 1% chances maybe they will announce it again. Okay. Now talking about Accenture. For Accenture, already the hiring is very, very delayed because generally this hiring should be released before 4 to 5 months, but the onboardings was delayed last year. Because of that, for 2025 batch, 2024 batch, the off-campus hiring is announced from Accenture now. The assessments and phases are already ongoing. Some more phases will be coming. This will be the final hiring for 2025 and 2024. Okay. Also, some YouTube channels posting other videos of Accenture for other position. Okay. They are so shameless. They also know about it that these things can affect the current ongoing process. Still, they are posting the other hiring just for views that Accenture is hiring for software development, custom software. No, the only hiring which is currently going on scale, the major problem is, see, I'll just give you one idea. Suppose by any chance, suppose you get shortlist for custom support engineer or whatever it is for Accenture. Okay. And you also applied for this one. Suppose you got shortlisted for this one. There is 100% guarantee you cannot give two assessments continuously for Accenture. And this one will be very, very less in the amount of the numbers. So chances for 2025 and 2024 will be very, very negligible to get selected. So why you are doing this? Okay, don't apply for any other position till you have given the assessment for this one at least. Okay, so the ASE hiring is ongoing. Okay, currently for off campus. So please focus on this. Okay, some more phases will be coming for 2026 batch. There will be off campus hiring. There will be off campus hiring. Okay, for 2026 batch, and already as we have seen that they have put in very, very late for 2025 and 2024 batch. Generally the starting time is probably the month of March when they release the off campus hiring, but this year already the hiring of 2025 is very, very late. So for 2026 maybe they will be starting the hiring after the month of July. Okay, July can be the month, so it will be delayed and it can be extended till December 2026 also. Depends upon the response of the hiring this time and their onboarding time. Okay, because it totally depends upon their onboarding skills. So apart from this, there is a hiring called Tech Mahindra. So 2024 batch they have hired for ASC position, but the mm, problem is uh, for many candidates they got the hold mail and they did not receive the offer letter for 2024 batch. After that, they did not conducted the hiring for 2025 batch, which is a major setback because the numbers which we have seen in 2023 of Tech Mahindra was very, very high. But after 2023, for 2024, like 2023, you can expect around 15,000 candidates got selected. For 2024, only maybe 4 to 5,000 candidates got selected. But 2025, no hiring till now for ASE. It should be released definitely because from last 2 years they have not conducted a big hiring. So this hiring, I have from this hiring, I have very high expectations that Tech Mahindra should do the hiring. Also, their process of hiring is very, very smooth. Like they conduct the whole hiring in only in 1 week. Okay, so it should be there. So let's see what will happen in this because there is a long time when I have not seen any mail from Tech Mahindra, and previously in the year of 2024 or 2023 we have seen a lot of mails from Tech Mahindra. So yeah, it should come. It should come. And for 2026 you need to wait for some time. Again, Tech Mahindra will be hiring after completing your graduation because in graduation they do not hire for off campus. So After graduation only, like after the month of maybe June and July, there can be hiring for 2026 batch off campus for tech. Okay. Now talking about Goldman Sachs. So for Goldman Sachs, they have announced for 2025-2024 batch hiring already last year. It was a mass scale hiring. Okay. Like not in numbers, but whoever applies for this get the shortlisting and test mail. For 2026, already some programs they have announced. I uploaded the video today also. But soon there will be a direct test hiring from Goldman Sachs. Each and every year they conduct this in the month of January. So January just started. Let's wait for Goldman Sachs big hiring, and let's see if we will get the big hiring from Goldman Sachs, where at least you can give all the assessments from Goldman Sachs, and you can wait for your results. Talking about Infosys, for 2026 batch, they are conducting multiple hiring for SE position, which is systems engineer, and SPDSE position. Okay, and the hirings are going like on campus. They are doing a lot of on campus hiring for these positions. For 2025, they have conducted the SPDSE hiring. Also, the systems engineer hiring they have conducted for off campus for 2024 as well, I think. So, see, now for 2025 batch, the hirings are over from Infosys. Okay, the hirings are Infosys from Infosys are over. So today is the test. Today is the test, and maybe on 19th also there will be the extended test. After that, the hirings are over for off campus from Infosys, because SPDSE role already they conducted two phase. For systems engineer already they conducted one phase. For on campus they conducted SC SPDSP phase. Okay, now for 2026 off campus, if you are waiting for off campus, okay, maybe you will be getting only SPDSE hiring for off campus in future, not SE. The simple reason is SE hiring they have conducted this year for off campus after 3 years. Like after 2022, there was no off campus hiring for SE, which means systems engineer. So for 2023, they did not recruited any single SE. 2024, 2025, no off campus hirings. Okay, sorry, in 2025 they have conducted the off-campus hiring for SE. Okay, now they already recruited the off-campus SE. They already recruited the on-campus SE. Now the off-campus SE is very very difficult from Infosys, because now they have to onboard the students also, and they already had very very bad experience with the onboardings. So for 2026, it is near to impossible to conduct the off-campus hiring for SE, from my experience what I can say. Okay, for SPDSE definitely they will conduct the off campus hiring. Okay, and maybe one phase or two phase. Okay, it depends upon Infosys. Generally in many years they conduct one phase only, but this year they have conducted two phases for SPDSE. So let's see for 2026 off campus how many hirings we will be seeing for SPDSE. Okay, talking about Wipro, very interesting company. So for Wipro also, we can see now the Wipro allied hiring soon, and Wipro is also coming in some colleges maybe in some time. Also, allied hiring can be released. 2026 and 2025 batch can be eligible for that hiring. Okay, so for 2025 batch, they already conducted the allied exclusive hiring. Okay, in very big scale, but allied off-campus hiring also you can expect for 2025 batch from Wipro, and maybe in the month of Jan or Feb only. Okay, for 2024 batch now there will be no hiring. For 2026 batch, yes, there will be some off-campus hiring, exclusive also, and after that off-campus also. So from Wipro, definitely there are some hirings pendings, big hirings, mass hirings. So let's see when we will be seeing the hirings from Wipro. Okay, and for 2026 batch, 2025 batch, yes, there can be hiring for off campus, and for 2026 on campus as well. Okay, now talking about Capgemini, for 2024 batch, mostly there will be no hiring. For 2025 batch, already off campus hiring they have conducted. Okay, from for CSG. Now, for off campus, they also conducted one hiring, okay, last year, long time back. Yes, there can be one off campus hiring also from Capgemini for 2025 batch, but the most chances is only females will be eligible to participate. Okay, this can be a high chance if for 2025 the Capgemini will be coming, it will be female only hiring for off campus. And yes, it can come in future. For 2026 batch, they are conducting the female only hiring plus all eligible hiring in on campus. For off campus, generally For 2026 batch, the hirings will be start most probably in the month of March for the profile of network engineer. Okay, so each time they actually each and every year they conduct the network engineer hiring in the month of March or April. Okay, so mostly you will be seeing the network engineer hiring for 2026 batch. Okay, for 2025 batch, there can be hiring, but most probably 90% it will be a female only hiring. Okay, now Hexaware. So for Hexaware, they have conducted 2025 hiring off campus already. The hiring was conducted off campus, okay, for 2025 batch. Yes, but still again they can conduct the 2025 and 2024 batch hiring again, because last time when they conducted the off campus hiring for 2025 batch, it was in less numbers, okay, and the numbers were high from Accenture for Hexaware for on campus. There are chances there can be a hiring between 1 to 2,000 students for or off campus. For on campus, they have already came in some colleges for 2026 batch. For off campus, it will take time for off campus for 2026. Okay, and on campus is also not sure now they will come in more colleges or not, because in the month of September they already came for PGET GET position. Okay, so we will see that. Now talking about KPIT, 2024 batch hiring will not come. 2025 batch hiring is pending, but not sure if it will come or not. Okay, maybe it will come at low scale, because see, for 2024 batch they already conducted a very big hiring in the year of 2024. For 2025 batch they have not conducted the hiring yet. Okay, but the the condition of the company, I think, is not so good with the projects, so maybe a low scale hiring can come. And for 2026 batch, I cannot comment on this company until sometime. Okay, talking about, yes, so these are the all updates with the hiring. I hope with the all batches I have calculated the calendar year which companies can come, the profiles. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching.